Mabuhay and welcome to my Philippines. I'm Rob, and today we're going to try to make Puto cakes. I got this from the there we go. It's much better. Real Canadian Superstore. I found it in their international section, of course. So first thing we need, since these are kind of a steamed thing. Sorry, I'm kind of turning like this, but it's how I can do it. Um, it tells me to have this, which is my steam thing, my steamer. So, first of all, we have to boil water, which they want only 1 cup worth. So, that's what I'm doing. Boiling time. Boiling time. Let's just put this in for boiling time. And now it wants me to grab this. So 1 cup sugar with this ingredients. For a sec. Maybe I should have opened it beforehand. But wait a second. Oh, okay, I gotta get cooking oil. Good thing I have it. Okay. Well, apparently I can do this twice. I got 2 of them. So let's put that one back. Now, I'll be right back. La la la! Yes, I'm crazy. So, you put that in there. And it also said something else. I need some oil. Cooking oil. That's my cooking oil. No, I need cooking oil in it. 5 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons. La la la. So now we do 5 tablespoons while my water gets boiled. Okay, we got that done. I'm making a mess. Something looks like it's... What am I supposed to do anyways? Well, looks like the steamer thing's going, but I'll be right back. I gotta pause this for a second. Hello again. I missed an ingredient. Water. That's a silly thing to forget. My steaming thing's working. But just go in there for now. So what's going on here? I just realized something. Mistakes happen, guys. And that's definitely what I do. I need more water in here. Yeah. This is what happens when you don't prepare yourself properly. When you're doing this. Ain't this fun? La la la. Take two, sort of. Let's boil you back up again. There we go. That's going to take a while. Now, good thing also is, what? 2 packs, 2. Okay, there's something here that I didn't know about. Wherever. In mixing bowl, add water and okay. When you're not prepared, this is what happens. I need molds. I don't know if I have any. Oops. They're not in there. You know what? Okay. Let's go. What do we have? Ooh, molds. Do we have some molds here? Sort of. We have sort of molds. Sort of molds. That might work. You know what? Ow! Hi there. So, I found something that would constitute as a mold. Don't know how well it's going to be. Hopefully I don't break anything. But hey, we're going to try this. Why? Because it's going to be fun. And let's hope it fits. How long does it go anyways? Oh, this is going to be steam for... Okay. Yeah. What does this taste like? Actually does taste good. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just looking for more stuff that possibly can help me. So, if you're not seeing me, it's not that I'm hiding from you. I'm just looking for stuff to use. And right now, I'm not finding much of anything. It's not the best. Oh, well, look at this. So, whatever. I'm probably going to have to edit this section out because I'm not doing anything, am I? Well, we're going to try this. It's steaming again. So, I'm going to try. See if this works. If it doesn't, batter's good. I like that. These are just molds I found. They're probably not Puto cake molds, but you know what? If this fails, I'm definitely going to go out and get some. Let's just try 3. Because I have no idea if this is going to work. And yes, I'm discussing. Okay. Let's see if this works. You know what? I'd rather do 4. Because it's an even number. I'll try not to discuss you now. Okay. Put that in. Now, I'll get back to you in 15 to 20 minutes. And we'll see how it works. Hello, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. And let's go check. Yeah, it's bouncing back. So, that's good. It's kind of weird looking because I don't have the right stuff, but let's just say, make sure you have the right things when you're doing this. Obviously, these aren't the Puto cake molds, but it is what it is, guys. I think I can put this in here. Oh, okay, I can't really put it in there. I'll just put it on top. Hot. Nice thing about this cookware, it comes with detachable stuff. La da da. Now, I'm too freaking scared to pull these out. There's one. There's 2. Three. And 4. There's 4 of them. Right. So, let me back this up. Yada-da. Yada-da. Like I said, these are not Puto cake molds. Looks like more like something to do with egg. So, good questions. How do I get them out? Okay, that didn't do well. I think I needed to put them in longer. Yep. Yep. Well, that was a fail. And they didn't cook properly because I probably used these things. They're too big. So, yeah. Am I going to try them? Probably. Let's try one. I don't care. Still good. Still edible for me, anyways. But I definitely recommend. We're gonna try this again. And do it right.